the smoke. The smoke's coming in.
Smoke is coming in.
All right, guys, so we're out here at Backlash. Cleetus brought out the limo. We're gonna go all pile in. We're gonna make a pass down the quarter mile and see if we can guess what we think the time's gonna be. I'm gonna say like a 21, 23 second. So let's hop in, see what she does. It's going to be crazy. It's huge inside, and we are all just gonna pile in this thing. It's gonna be epic. So what's it gonna run?
I would say like a 20.
20, okay.
26, 20.
Everybody guess. 20,
20.
26,
26, 23.
23, 22.8. So a few minutes of finishing up, and then we're gonna go out and we're gonna send it. Ready, bro? We're ready. We all going now?
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're loading up.
Go for it, go for it, go for it.
Come with me.
I'm going.
Oh, you're good.
AC works.
So we're in, and
How's it in there?
wonderful.
Full pack.
Yes.
It's blowing pretty strong.
Oh yeah.
Nice and cool.
Oh yeah.
Is this the roof out of a rain?
All the AC.
Everyone comfortable?
Yeah.
Comfortable.
You have music?
Any drinks?
Do you have music?
Where's the champagne?
No music. Someone stole the radio.
Hey, we might have to bounce up and down to get it to do the burnout.
Okay. Probably, yeah.
For real.
I've got overdrive off, so it's really gonna take off.
Okay. I'll hold on. I'll hold on.
Well, it's not funny.
This thing is
Help.
epic.
Help!
Try it. Yes.
Are the tires spinning?
Oh, you can't do it. It's gonna do
Oh my god!
Oh, it's gonna do a burnout.
it. That's put my front axle on the water.
Oh my god, he's talking out of an intercom.
That's where the front axle on the water.
Yo, check this out. Wait, that is epic. How do we turn up the intercom? I don't know, but the intercom works.
All right, what do you think it's gonna run?
26.8.
18.4.
27. That's a little bit optimistic.
20.
Maybe like a 33.
Actually,
24.
I'm gonna go 23.
23.
I'm going 23.2.
23.
23.2.
Oh, that's healthy. Yeah.
What? That is healthy.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, we're definitely running a 9.
Oh yeah.
Great knowing y'all.
All right, guys. So we're taking off now. We're gonna try to see this thing will do a burnout.
When we get in the burnout box, you're all gonna have to move the momentum.
Oh, we got this.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
In there?
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
The front axle.
And you're probably in there now.
Right there.
Bounce!
Alright, go.
Bounce! Bounce! Bounce!
I'm trying.
Another one!
Dang.
Oh, we are overheating.
Oh, God.
Overheated, guys. Oh, we're overheating. We're overheating.
Uh-oh.
Overheating.
I hope no one's behind us. I
Uh-oh.
can't see.
We're overheating.
Can we send it anyways?
Wait.
Oh no. Well, as you can see, radiator kind of had a little problem. See what we're working with here. Oh, we're fine. We're golden. Look at that. It runs.
Wires in there.
Got a little wetness right here. Yeah, we're good. All right, guys, so we're gearing up for round 2.
Doors are locked.
Round 2. The door's locked. Door's locked.
There we go.
There we go. All right, so we're all set for round 2.
Alright, I don't want to overheat. Oh, baby.
I've never been anything so fast. Please take it easy.
Right. What's your guess, Matt?
I don't know, man. I think if we go something like a 19
You
team.
guys know I'm charging $150 an hour.
Okay,
Racetrack ride.
that's fair.
As long as it comes with luggage service, I'm good with that.
That's fair.
Here we go.
Uh-oh. Tire spin.
Oh,
Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is epic!
Yeah!
Oh my god, there's the smoke! The smoke's coming in!
Smoke is coming in the door.
The smoke is coming inside!
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that was great!
You didn't tell me you turned on the fog machine.
Yo, the smoke came in!
Oh, it's smoky in here now.
We got a fog machine back here, guys.
This is
It's really
awesome!
setting the mood. I like it.
Oh yeah, look, smoke's rolling in behind us like that! Oh my god!
You guys ready?
Ready!
Oh no, let's go.
There's a
Go.
lot of smoke back there. I can see it.
Oh my god!
Alright, ready?
Ready!
Here we go.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
We're Okay. It's so smoky, you can't even see anything. What? Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. We can't see anything.
Cleetus has disappeared
Oh
from you.
my god. Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure I've got cancer.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
We're done now. We made it.
Oh,
We
it's
made
so
it.
bad.
We made it.
Oh my
So
god.
much smoke. Alright, I'm gonna pull over so you guys can jump out. Oh shit. So much smoke. Alright, hold on guys. I'm pulling over. Oh wait, I can't get in that one. Okay, I'm gonna take this corner hot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
Yes! Schumacher!
It's running perfect now.
What?
Oh my god. Alright,
Oh.
you ran.
My god. I think 21.4 is a good call.
21.4. That's my
21.4,
guess.
I like it.
I'm going at 23. I thought it was on fire.
Oh yeah. I thought it might have been on fire for a second.
For a second I got a whiff of like not tires.
Yeah.
Brother. Alright, you guys ready?
Ready.
23!
23. What mile per hour?
Damn, guys, look. 23 seconds at 59 miles an hour.
Wow. 59?
If you ever wonder what body roll is.
Right, right. Extreme body roll. Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Got a 6 shot at Burnout.
Sick. All right, guys, so we just got done riding in Cleetus' limo down the track. And let me show you, it ran a 23-second quarter mile at 59 miles per hour. 23 seconds at 59 miles per hour. That was freaking epic. Smoke was pouring in. We could not see anything. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.